Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Mona Lisa Piruma Kiring. I'm 44 years old, happily married with 2 children, 7 years old and 19 years old. My highest attainment education is high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking, baking, dancing, and singing. I know how to cook Chinese food like Chinese soup, Chinese stir-fried vegetable, stew, fried. And I know also how to make beverage, baking cakes, making pizzas, and cooking Persian and Italian food. I work as domestic helper in Singapore, year 2001 to 2003. I serve 2 children, 10 years old and 13 years old, 2 adults with 1 dog at Serangoon North Avenue 1. My second employer, year 2005 to 2009, I serve 1 children, 8 years old, 2 adults with 1 dog. At the same employer, at Trevos Crescent, year 2012 to 2015, I serve 1 children, 2 adults with 1 dog. My duties are taking care of the children, preparing and cooking meals, washing dishes, cleaning the house, doing laundries, ironing, washing cars, going grocery shopping, taking care of the dogs, feeding, bathing, and walking. To all employer, please hire me as your domestic helper because I am loyal, trustworthy, and hardworking woman. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you. Looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.